So these are some of the tools that Bosch has given us to try out in our factory here in Lyell Bay where we make these surfboards. Believe it or not, all these tools run off the 18-volt battery system. There's 3 different size batteries that you can get in the ProCore 18-volt range. Smaller 4-amp batteries, medium 8-amp batteries, and these larger 12-amp batteries. I've used just about all of the other manufacturers' battery-powered tools. The batteries that Bosch makes seem to last the longest. I'm not sure if that's the battery technology or the motor technology, but whatever they're doing is working. Being able to get rid of cables and replace them with this little pack of batteries has been really cool. Makes the workshop safer, everything sort of just seems to flow a lot faster, and it gives us more time to do other things like surfing.